So owning this bike has been a pretty frustrating experience because it's like it's set up to be a piece of junk. I have like a list I made here of all the wrong parts that were on there, because there's things where like I just recently had a problem with my spark plug. It was always like super loose, and then so I had like another spare ignition coil. It turned out to not be the right one, so I had to replace it. But the ignition coil that I had as a spare actually fits on the spark plug the way it should. Like the other one was always like, I was amazed it actually held. It worked, but it was not the right size. You can tell because this one is the right size and it fits like a glove, and it doesn't, make you feel concerned about it. This is that piece here. Like this right here is an elbow in the fuel line. It was originally a straight plastic piece. It totally blocked the fuel line. It made it, the pump thing here, useless. It's like an air pump for the fuel. What else? The engine intake manifold. I actually replaced my carburetor, but I don't think that was necessary. The engine intake manifold wasn't the right size here, where it connected to the carburetor. So this thing had to be super clamped down, and there's probably like a little gap somewhere. The way it should fit, it should snugly fit in there. Like you don't even need one of these, and that's just like extra. What else is there? The belt on the thing, I'm not sure what the original belt was, but the 835-2030 works the best. I bought the two that they say work, and I think the other one was originally on there because I could see shreds of it. The thing just disintegrated. Anyway, the 835-2030 is good. I don't know if that's what they had on there originally. I guess that's all that's really was fucked up, that like they should have had set up better. The electrical system works much better with LED light bulbs everywhere, but yeah, that's not really, that probably would have been okay. Those things are like the main things that it's like, man, like it really takes a good thing and turns it into something that's potentially terrible. As a matter of fact, that engine intake thing almost, gave me way too much throttle. I couldn't control at certain points. It was kind of dangerous. So, just figured I'd let you know.